wash it off.
Okay. It's videotaping, just so you know. Ah! It should have gone this way.
I don't care.
Okay, it's videotaping.
Okay.
Just throw it, you don't have to wash it off.
I want to try this.
Okay.
I always wanted to do a work support.
Want me to try to turn around?
Okay.
Instead?
Can you do it, Samantha? No.
I can. Look, they have horseshoe tournament.
Oh, this is so cool. This guy.
I want to swing
Oh.
at the same time.
Huh?
I want to swing at the
Okay.
same time.
Samantha, look in the camera. Why?